Hi guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming my August monthly plan with me. It's crazy. July is over, my summer is coming to an end, and I start back to work on August 12th. It's crazy how this this month has gone so fast. I put in pencil an appointment and I just erased it because I forgot to. But yes, I'm super excited to be filming this plan with me. I'm using this kit from Planner Kate. It's a kit 157 and I have sheets F and G. So F is the headers and then G is the sidebar, days that are not in the month, and then extra appointment labels and stuff like that. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to put down the days that are not in the month. And in August, it's just this top bar. So we'll get that lined up. I'm seriously in love with this kit. It's just so like bright and cheery, and even when I'm not in, like, I don't think it'll be out yet, but I'm switching over to a Happy Planner for 2020, and I've purchased an 18 month, so I've just kind of been just like playing around in it, and I think of the colors of the Erin Condren when I think of like colors that the month should be. So like August is always like bright yellow, and I just love, whoops, oh boy. Well, that is the best part about Planner Kate stickers, is when you put down the wrong sticker, you can peel it back up. I don't know if anyone saw that, but I'm putting down the Thursday through Friday on the wrong side of the week. Okay, and I love it. They go down perfectly, even though you just peeled them up. So, okay, let's try this again. But yeah, I don't know what it is, but I always think of August as being bright yellow. And that's probably something to do with the fact that it's back to school. And so like everything, you know, everything is bright yellow. I don't know. Okay, so big stickers are put down. I'm going to put down this sidebar. I don't use this sidebar ever. I don't know. I just don't. It's not something that it's just not something that I flip to. I use my monthly every once in a while, and I do use my monthly to get an overview, but otherwise I rarely use it. Okay, so the first thing in August is my husband has drill, and so that is going to be Friday, shoot, oh there we go. I was like, I lost my bookmark. I just finished filming my plan with me for, so ending the 4th, and I had all of my stickers laid out, and of course in that chaos things get lost. Okay, so I'm going to put on one of these like basic labels. Let's see, and let's do, I'm gonna do orange. Okay. I have this fly that's been buzzing around, and my cats have not like caught it yet. anyone else's cats do that? I don't know. Okay, so that is the first. Honestly, there's not a lot of events in the month of August, only because I'm going back to work on the 12th. And I know that getting into the swing of things again after being off for so long, it takes some getting used to again. But the 8th, no, the 7th. The 7th, I have two. I shouldn't say we. I have a doctor's appointment, and my son has his 9. Oh, I should mark he's 9 months. I'll do that with. I'm gonna do that with another basic label. He's 9 months old. It's crazy. So I'm gonna put down. Let's see. I'm gonna put down this 9-month sticker. And then, okay, so back to the 7th. He has his 9-month appointment on the 7th, and then I have an eye doctor appointment as well. Oh, and I didn't realize. No, that'll be fine. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna flip it. Okay. Oop. Boy. Well, it doesn't want to go down straight. There. Okay. So the first one is at 7:45. His 9-month appointment, and then mine is at 10 a.m. Eye doctor, and then I'm just gonna put. I pulled some icons and a pencil for daycare. I'm just gonna put on the top just a little stethoscope appointment or stethoscope icon, just so that my eye can go to it, because those are he'll have to not go to daycare right away in that morning. I don't think I told him that he wasn't going to be there, so I think I forgot about this appointment. Whoops. Okay, so then the week of the 12th, I'm going to mark down with some more skinny washi. And I work 10-hour days, the 12th, 13th, 14th, and the 15th. So I'm off on Friday. And honestly, excuse me, it is pretty much, we go right into the school year, essentially starting on the 12th. We have a lot of stuff that has to get done this year. I know we're redoing our kindergarten curriculum, and we're adding items to the kindergarten curriculum, so that'll have to be dealt with. And then, yeah, it'll be great. Okay, so I want to mark that those are my 10-hour work days. So I'm going to put down, I haven't used a yellow one yet. 10-hour days. And I think I need to practice writing the letter Y. I don't know, for some reason, like, I just don't like the way that I write the letter Y. I think I need to maybe practice a bit. Okay, so that's the 12th. The 14th, I have trivia at 7 p.m. So I'm going to put that in this orange appointment label. And I love trivia. So, okay, so the 14th. The 15th daycare schedule is due. And then my uncle is flying into town from San Diego, and I think we're going to have dinner with him. So I'm going to put that down on, we'll use this, we'll do 6 p.m. dinner with Uncle Tom. So that is the 15th. Oh, and then I'm going to write daycare schedule. Okay. So the 16th, I have another doctor's appointment. I'm trying so hard to fit all of my doctor's appointments in before I actually go back to work so I don't have to take sick time to be off of work. So 9:15. So dermatology. And then the 17th, we have a wedding. And I should have grabbed like a half box. I'm gonna put that in this blue box. Amber. Wedding. And I'm not, and I know for a fact that I think my in-laws are going to take my son for at least while we're gone. I did pull this heart sticker. I'm just gonna put it in the corner. So, okay. So that is it for the 17th. So that first week that I'm back, of course, is the week that is kind of crazy. And then the only other thing in August is I have 2 birthdays, both on the same day, on the 30th. One is my father and the other one is my niece. And so I'm going to put them, I think I'm going to use a pink and a blue. So I'll put my dad, who is obviously older, and then I'll put my niece up on top. My niece will be 3. So, okay. So I have these balloon stickers. Do green and then the pink. So I'll write Dad and Juno. Okay. Oh, and then I do want to put, let's see, I'm going to put my paydays, let's refer back to July. So let's see, I'm thinking that, actually, I'm not going to put paydays because I'm pretty sure that we skip a payday in August. Just with how, because I think because there's needs to be 26 pay periods in a year, and they were supposed to skip one last year, but then they didn't. So I'm not entirely sure if that's this. They're waiting until September. I'm not entirely sure. So I'm going to just leave that. But I'm going to put a day off, one of these day off stickers on the 16th, because I work 40 hours and 4 days, do have the 16th off. Okay, so that is my plan with me for the month of August. I'm going to put the date dots down later. I do like them, and they do, to me, bring together this monthly spread, but they're a pain in the butt, and I'll just do them while watching TV later. It'll give me something to do. So thanks so much for watching, guys. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It does help to grow my channel. If you want to see more of my videos, please hit that subscribe button. I do have a lot of videos coming up in the month of August and September. I'm really excited about a couple ideas I had about filming some videos that aren't necessarily like plan with me's. They're, you know, kind of how to track things and other things that you can put in your planner. So I hope that those work out. So, but yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.